Hey there, welcome! We're gonna be making black bean mango salsa, but you know, we're not just throwing food in a bowl, we're working with energy here. Every ingredient has a job. We're in cooking school right now. Ingredients 1, 2, 3. Black beans are grounding, that's root chakra food, stability, safety, I'm supported. Beans literally grow from the earth and remind your body that you're not floating through freaking chaos. Then we got mango. It's heart and solar energy. It's sweetness without pretending. It opens the heart up, lifts the mood, and brings in that joy frequency your nervous system forgot it was allowed to feel. Red onion, scallions, they wake up the system. Circulation, clarity, honesty. Onions move stagnant energy emotionally and physically. They don't lie, they just clear. That's why sometimes you cry when you cut an onion and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Cucumber, it cools the field down. That's nervous system regulation in plant form. Hydration, calming, inflammation, taking the heat out of stress. Jalapeño brings fire back with intention. That's willpower. Solar plexus, I'm alive. I'm allowed to take up space energy. Just enough heat to wake you up and not burn you. Lime, purification, cleanses the liver, cuts heaviness, clears emotional residue. It's like a reset button in citrus form. Garlic is protection, antimicrobial, immune boosting, and energetically it clears out what doesn't belong in your field. Old attachments do not like garlic, but your body does. Cilantro is detox, heavy metal, stuck energy, old emotional residue. It helps escort things out that you don't need anymore. If it tastes soapy to you, your body is literally asking for a deeper cleanse. Olive oil brings it all together. Healthy fat carries nutrients into the cells and energetically it's lubrication, helping things move instead of stagnant. This isn't just salsa, this is nervous system support, chakra alignment, and frequency design disguised as a little freaking snack. Eat it with chips on a taco. I'm gonna be making veggie tacos, but it's great with chips, spring roll, however you want. 252 on that timer, but stay tuned because I'm gonna add a little, fun reel of me actually preparing this stuff. Enough talking.